Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss, they are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. Some viewers and subscribers, I don't know, some people, Lexi, the baddest, my people, you understand, was laid to rest yesterday, May 15, 2022, my people, you understand, and all my can some viewers and subscribers, yo, she get a great send-off, my people, you understand, a lot of people go there for show them support, my people, and fellow comedians, fellow entertainers, you understand, honestly, my viewers and subscribers, she get a great turnout, my people. A lot of people go there to show their final and their last respect to Lexi, the baddest, my people, and all my can some viewers and subscribers. You know, it's sad to know that she gone, my people, but you see, when I look into the whole thing, you know, she's not here with us no more, my people, but it's like you can feel her spirit same way by watching the whole thing and see how the people were there. And from a look on the clips, them people, and I say where the hearses on the road and people stay by the side and just watching it. And when I look and see her in her cafe, people, when them lift it and you look and see her and then put the glass over her face and thing, and you know, just like me, I see her and I say, yo, it's like she here same way, you know. But all I can say, man, is just rest in peace, Lexi the baddest. You know what I mean, my viewers and subscribers? It is really sad. I've seen where fellow comedians and things go there for Insta comedian, and you know what I mean, they were there, them break down in a tears, and you know, the pastor do a great preaching, because I watch the thing, my people, and you know, it's sad overall, but I'm saying, man, you know, she get a huge turnout, very huge turnout, my people, and me, you know, I'm a fellow YouTuber, she was a YouTuber also, you know what I mean, actress and thing, you know what I mean, very good actress, man, now with Jamaican way, my people. I've seen even the last move where them do with her, my people, and I'm saying only Jah sees and he knows, you know. And for the family them, you know, me just want to big on up, because the way how my son anger the thing, even on our IG, you know, post up everything to keep the public, you know what I mean, aware of the candlelight, of the grave digging, of everything. You know, never, because you know she was loved by the public, you understand, for all our viewers them on IG, you know that she was well loved, and the family them people, they stood up, you know what I mean, them never does like load certain things, you know, so sometimes certain people passes away, you understand, and they that keep the thing private because them don't want to load up certain things because they are saying they are in mourning. But honestly, my people, even though this family did ask for some moment for, you know what I mean, for get things angled and for go through a certain phase, when they do go through that phase, they do come on the public and come on our IG and post up things and make the public aware of what is going on, when the funeral are going to take place, where it's going to be held, when the grave digging and this, you know what I mean, and it's just great. But all I can say, man, Lexi the baddest, fly high, you know what I mean, fly high, and only Jah sees and he knows, man. And you know, we must just live good, my people. All I can say, we must just live good, love our brothers, love our sisters. You know, I always say this in my vlogs more than once, you know what I mean, show your brothers while they're on earth the love that you got for them, show them the care, you know, hug that sister, they hug that friend there, man, yeah, I love you, I rate you, I respect you, you know what I mean, show them, people, because you just don't know what tomorrow may bring, and you may look in yourself when things do happen and I say, yo, if me did know, but you said that if me did know a thing that, you know, I go working on my people, because our loved one, our best friend, who we did have when that they tell you, you know, so you're my best friend, you're my favorite cousin, you know what I mean, you're my favorite brother, my sister, you never did tell them, my people, you know, but in the end, you can't tell them because what, they are no longer here with us, my viewers and subscribers, and all we have to do, you know, mankind, live good, trust in the Almighty, praise him, know that he's the true king, our father up above, you know what I mean, and all I can do and hope and pray, say, Lexi the baddest, my people, she did have him as, you know what I mean, the true king, and she did have her faith and her trust in him, my people, and she know that he is the creator who created us, you know what I mean, all I can say, my viewers and subscribers. But again, I just want to send out my deepest condolences to all her family, her friends around the world, you understand, fellow people who act with her and thing in those series and those play that they do in Jamaica, fellow Instagrammer, fellow, you know what I mean, everybody, man, who did up on even 876 roommate, all of them who go around her hour, of that minute, that second. You know what I mean? Every time, every moment that they do share with her, I just want to send out my deepest condolences with people, because I couldn't, you know what I mean, know that she laid to rest, because I don't know, somebody covered the story with people when she passed away sadly and thing, and I could never say she laid to rest and don't do nothing, or don't say nothing about the whole thing, people. But I do watch it, I do saw the video. I wasn't there in present, but I do saw the videos, I do saw clips, because there was so much people turn out, my people, and a lot of YouTubers got there, a lot of Facebookers got there, TikTokers got there, a lot of people got there, went there down at Chilana, my people, to show their final love and their final respect to Lexi, the body. So fly high, Lexi, and rest in peace from me, the attacking boss, and the whole attacking team. We say attack, Lexi, the baddest. Rest in peace. So you don't know the thing, my people, please like, please share, please comment, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. NEWLINK Production official attacking boss. Peace out, my people. Stay safe and do the right thing. I'm out.